Yeah. Shish.
Pam 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 pam. Guess who's back, man? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button. Maze, I have a lot in store for you guys. Kama wewe ni member, Maze. Man, I don't know whether this high five will fika on your end, but Maze, thank you for supporting your sister. Thank you. And for the 30 of you who are new subscribers, when I've just been posting up on IG saying, oh, I have this content, and I'm posting the things I've been tengenezing. Karibuni mazi, feel at home. Welcome to the family. Now, before I even start this video, I had a few words to share with you guys. The few words, don't worry, you might see numbers, but they're words actually hapa chini. Maybe they're crammed. If you want it, but you can't have it now, put it on a bucket list. Wacha pressure. If you want it, but you can't have it now, weka kwa bucket list. You just go crossing, ticking. Once you've gotten that, whatever you want, ama you've achieved whatever you want. But if you can't, at that moment, wacha pressure, go with the flow. Sasa, I have been away with good reason. Na I am back sasa vizuri. Lazima I had to work on a space I have here for you guys so that I'm able to give you proper content. And you're able to actually watch through it. Siku tolerate watch through because of, beginner problems. But for today's video, the intention I had for this video today is to unbox a staple gun. This is a staple gun that we'll be unboxing. It's called Tolsen. Okay, the company is Tolsen. So it's a heavy duty 3-way staple gun. So once you purchase it, ama you order it, itakaa hivi. So for my story, it's even funny. So as we open it and you see how it looks, I got it from some Hindu guy from downtown. Alituma mse a rider this and a spray gun. He's like, yes, Florence. The company niko nayo ni Tolsen. So do not worry, Tolsen. Lakini yenyewe sina hiyo accent ilipoteanga ya Indians, Like, Florence. Tatengenezea, iko mimi tengenezea wewe bei. So this, can I even remember how much it was? Yeah. So this is it. Imagine. So usijali, had cut here previously. It was a struggle, but nilikuwa nimekata. So that we fit here. And once it does this, we're join inafanya. And for the staples, zinakaa hivi. 3-way. So there's a narrow crown, U-shaped staple, and a brad nail type of staple. And they're like 600 pieces. Imagine. That's it. But this thing is a lifesaver. So we'll get down to how it actually works and how to use it in another video. But for today's video, I just wanted you to see this. So thank you so much for your time. I am back. Expect videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Saa zingine tu naweza shikwa tu na kitu. So kama umesubscribe utashtukia tu maybe I've posted a video a whole week, every day I've posted something. So yeah, honestly just going with the flow. Yeah. So subscribe, hit that like button, post notification bell, make sure it's on. Na kama someone who's interested in this DIY manenos, share. Spread the word.